One of the most common questions we get asked is how to maintain a cohesive and consistent look across your entire portfolio.
In particular, many people want their Instagram feed to look consistent no matter what they shoot. The best way to do this is by maintaining a consistent style and edit, so we created a collection of Lightroom presets in 6 popular styles:
blues, coppers, golden, grays, tans, and whites.
Whether you're shooting travel, lifestyle, street, or anything in between, we have a collection that will have you covered.
Without further ado, let's take a look at the new collection of 16 Lightroom presets.
The blues work best in photos with even lighting that feature rich colors. The blues bring out deep contrast and enhance your colors, all while maintaining natural-looking skin tone. These are perfect for landscape and travel photography.
Now, with all Lightroom presets, you'll want to first adjust your white balance and exposure before you apply a preset. For this photo of our friend Kaylin, let's see which one we like best. I kind of like them all, but I think the clean one works best here.
Let's take a look at another one, Kaylin with his wife Christine. They're full-time wedding filmmakers and apparently part-time models. I love the way the muted preset handles their skin tone, so let's go with that one here.
Quick side note, all of these presets will enable profile corrections, so if you want to maintain any lens vignetting, feel free to turn down the slider here.
Let's take a look at some more travel photos with the blues presets.
Ooh.
Dang.
Bro.
What?
Get it, girl.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. All right, let's move on to the copper set.
We made these presets with travel bloggers in mind. These work best for images with blues and reds, as it makes the reds look a little more copper, and the blues get a little more washed out with a more aqua hue like a pair of well-worn mom jeans. Keep those colors in mind with these copper presets when you're planning a shoot.
So for this photo here, we'll adjust the white balance. Then bump up the exposure. Now let's try the Copper People preset. The People preset will keep the skin tones in check, whereas the Landscape one is a little over the top.
We love how the Copper People preset works here, but if for some reason you want to use the Landscape one, you can. Just head down to the calibration section and just make a couple of tweaks to the red saturation to bring the skin tone back to normal.
If you pre-ordered the collection, you receive this Copper Bonus preset, which adds a really nice warm wash to the photo. Good news, if you pick up the collection within 24 hours of this video going live, you also get the bonus preset for free. After that, it's gone forever.
Let's move on to one more photo for the set. Since you can use these presets with Lightroom Mobile, we'll edit this next one on there. To get the presets into Lightroom Mobile, launch Lightroom CC from your computer. Go to File, Import Profiles and Presets, and select the preset collection. If you don't have Lightroom CC, there is a workaround to get them on your phone, and we've included those instructions in the PDF download that comes with the presets. Now, if we launch Lightroom on our phone, we can see that we now have these presets available here too. Okay, so for this photo, let's raise the exposure a bit. And then warm up the white balance. Now let's go to Presets, and we'll choose the Copper People preset for this one. Easy peasy. Okay, here are some more photos with the Copper presets. Ooh.
Dang.
Bro.
What? We created the golden look with influencers in mind. It brings out great contrast, beautiful colors, and really just takes your golden hour photos to the next level. Let's see it in action.
Here we have this beautiful golden glow from the sun just out of frame. We want to highlight this, and this golden pop preset is going to do just that. This really brings out all the details on the ground below and accentuates the beautiful hazy hair light hitting Rachel.
Next, we have this shot of our friend Sam's truck. Let's see how all 3 presets look. Golden People is our favorite for this shot, despite there being no one around. Go figure.
Let's see how the rest turned out. Ooh.
Dang.
Bro.
What?
Get it, girl.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. The grays were created for our moody biatches.
They're great for a more gritty urban environment. They particularly work well for photos where there isn't a ton of color present to begin with. If you're planning a shoot in this style, consider having your subjects wear black and white.
Let's apply the wash preset to this shot of me. Without the distraction of too much color, this really accentuates the light and texture of your photos.
Let's preview the grays on this basketball hoop in Hong Kong. We love how the moody one brings out the texture from the buildings behind the hoop, so we'll go with that. Let's see how the rest turned out. Ooh.
Dang.
Bro.
What?
Get it, girl.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. The tans are your ultimate lifestyle blogger presets. Featuring those warm tones to match your sunny disposition, this set works great on a myriad of photos. Greens, browns, and reds all thrive in this environment. Let's see how the clean looks on this clean freak. Killer. A ton of warmth is added to the highlights, which gives the photo a toasty, warm, cozy feeling.
To give you an example of how the reds can shift slightly, check out these red buildings.
Toasty.
If your subject is more shadowed, like in this example, the tan bright will really, brighten things up. Voila.
Let's see a few more.
Ooh.
Dang.
Bro.
What?
Get it, girl.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. Last but not least is one of our favorite styles of this entire collection. If you're a minimalist who loves shooting clean interiors or simple lifestyle vignettes and you're like, where's my grid presets? Well, they're right here, you goof.
Let's see how the boys look with the minimal clean preset applied. Wow, you can't even tell they haven't taken a bath in a month.
We love this preset for white walls and green plants.
Let's add a human to the mix. Easy as pie.
All right, let's see the rest of these suckers.
Ooh.
Dang.
Bro.
What?
Get it, girl.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji.
We absolutely love how these presets turned out, and we hope you enjoy this labor of love. Check out the link in the description to pick up a pack for yourself.
Oh, and all of these work on Lightroom Mobile as well, so just check out the installation PDF that comes with your download. And don't forget, order within 24 hours if you like bonus presets.
After you get the collection, use the hashtag MangoStreetGrid presets along with which preset you used, and we'll be posting our favorites in our Instagram stories.
Like, subscribe, and ding our little notification bell, and we'll see you back here on Monday.
Bye.
Bye.